Yes, student, look at this video. Basic nature of aliphatic amines in the aqueous medium. Getting? Earlier we discussed basic nature in gaseous state, but now we are discussing basic medium in aqueous medium. That is basic strength in aqueous medium. Actually, student, this topic requires at least 15 to 16 minutes continuous explanation, even more than 15 to 20 minutes. It is not possible to make one video of 15 to 20 minutes, one thing. And the second thing is the capacity of board, okay, is very less. Therefore, in two parts, I am explaining the aqueous medium in the basic medium. Moreover, all the thing is already written to save the time. Okay, because there are lot of explanation. This topic is very important for CBSE exam as well as all type of competitive exam. The question in the CBSE and competitive exam is generally asked by on this topic. Therefore, you have to pay more attention. That is, you have to simultaneously watch what 3 videos, one before it, second one, and one more incoming video. Student, actually, in the aqueous medium, basic nature not only depends on only one factor, but basic medium depends on 3 factors. First one, positive inductive effect. This is due to presence of R group. Second one, hydration effect. Hydration effect, that is the capacity to forming hydrogen bond. Capacity to forming hydrogen bond. Okay, because the hydrogen bond make it more stable. And the third effect is called steric hindrance effect. So, after observing individually these three effects, and on the basis of each effect, which type of amine is most basic, we will find and we will analyze the resultant nature of basic strength. Are you getting? That is, after analyzing all these three effects and on the basis of their basic order, then we will decide which one will be, okay, most basic or moderate or least basic. So one by one I am explaining you. Student, as in previous video we have checked that alkyl radical is electron releasing, therefore it shows which effect? Plus I effect. Due to plus I effect, there is only one R, so lesser plus I effect. There are 2 R group, so what? More plus I effect, and there are 3 R group, therefore it is what? Most plus I effect. As greater the plus I effect, more will be the basic nature. Therefore, by the first effect, the tertiary amine is most basic in nature, isn't it? This is one of the effect. Second effect is called hydration effect. Actually, I told you amines are Lewis base. It is due to they can donate lone pair in the aqueous medium. In the aqueous medium, after donating lone pair, the nitrogen gets protonated. Protonated nitrogen now consists what? Hydrogen or plus charge plus releasing OH anion. Therefore, it is basic in nature. Now, student, the protonated alkyl amine. Okay, that means this one, protonated alkyl amine. Earlier, simple alkyl amine have 2 hydrogen, but now it has 3 number of hydrogen. Therefore, these 3 number of hydrogen due to fraction positive charge can form 3 hydrogen bond with 3 molecules of water. This is one molecule, second molecule, and third molecule. So that as greater the hydrogen bond formed by protonated amine, more will be the stability. More will be the stability. So on the basis of stability, the primary amine is most stable primary alkylamine is most stable, while the tertiary can form only one hydrogen bond, so it is least stable. Being it will least stable will become least basic. So on the basis of what? Hydration effect, the order is become what? The primary amine becomes now most basic, and the tertiary amine becomes what? Least basic. Is that clear? So now by observing two effects, this one and this one, 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree, but here what? 3 degree, 2 degree and 1 degree. That is what? The two effect cancelled out each other. It is because it is just opposite to each other. So here we can't decide whether the primary, secondary or tertiary will be more basic or less basic, because the two effects are just opposite to one another. Therefore, now the third effect will decide which one will be the most basic, and its order will decide which one will be the most basic. So student, what is the meaning of steric effect? Hindrance effect. This is called crowding effect. Crowding effect means around nitrogen, like that. This is around nitrogen. Say this is around nitrogen. If there are 3 R group are present, 3 number of R group are present, then this bigger size of 3 R group will easily do not allow the hydrogen to be protonated by the nitrogen. Are you getting? Because hydrogen has to come near to the nitrogen. But if there are 3 number of R, then their bigger size will not allow to come the hydrogen easily towards what? Nitrogen. That means in this sense we can say that tertiary amine will be least basic, because hydrogen cannot come. That is, the protonation is not possible. While in 1 degree there will be only what? 2 hydrogen or 1 R. So 1 R can allow, but 2 R can moderate, and 3 R will very difficultly allow. Therefore, the 3 degree is become least basic, 2 degree is most basic, more basic, and 1 degree is most basic. So here what happened? Here 3 different effects. The 2 effect cancelled out, but the third effect here, now it describes that 1 degree will be most basic in nature. Now we have to analyze the 3 effect, okay, simultaneously, and then we have to find the resultant value or resultant magnitude of basic nature. So in the next video, again in short I will explain it, and then we will decide which one will be most basic in nature.